Good evening, friends. Welcome to another episode of Sahakar Sutra. In this episode, we shall be having a look at one of the most critical factors of a cooperative housing society. We shall be having a look at the fire safety norms and fire safety compliances which every cooperative housing society must follow for the safety of its members. Friends, fire doesn't happen always. It happens once in a while. But when it happens, it can have devastating effects. And hence, the managing committee of every cooperative housing society has to be very alert and ensure that all the compliances regarding fire safety norms of a society are followed by every society. Actually, it is a very sad thing that a survey showed that in Maharashtra, almost 95% of societies do not follow the fire safety norms. The office bearers are extremely callous in their attitude and they feel that so what? Nothing has happened for so many years. What will happen? This sort of an attitude often leads to disaster, friends. And hence the managing committee has to be very, very alert and ensure fire safety norms are followed. They should ensure that their society conducts a fire safety audit twice a year. And if it is an old society, they must ensure that this audit happens twice a year. New buildings can afford to be a little lax and have it once a year. Then every society has to conduct its electrical audit at least once in 2 years. This is more so with regards to societies who are more than 15 years old, buildings who are more than 15 years old. They must ensure that once in 2 years they do their electrical audit. Then, friends, every society managing committee has to organize an awareness drill once a year. They should call the fire brigade people and demonstrate to the residents and members of the society as to what measures and steps have to be taken in case fire breaks out anywhere in the complex or the buildings. That awareness drill has to be conducted at least once a year for the benefit and knowledge of all the members. Another thing which many societies don't pay attention to, but they have to pay attention and ensure that members who fix grills on their windows and in their balconies, the society has to do an audit and a reality check of all such grills and force their members to have an escape window for all such grills. Many times what happens is such grills don't have any exits, and in case of fires, this no exit grills can prove disastrous to the life of the residents staying in that particular flat. Another thing, and it's a continuous process, the managing committees have to ensure that the staircases of all the buildings are free of any obstruction and litter. Friends, post this talk, as fire safety norms and fire audit, etc., is an extremely technical subject, I have prepared a short presentation which I request all of you to go through, see the presentation and make yourselves aware of the various fire safety requirements and fire safety compliances which a cooperative housing society has to ensure. Thank you very much.